Here we are, Bukit Desa Damai, Bentong. I check the social media, they say here the Bukit Desa Damai, the top here there, can see the sunrise and the what we say, sky sea. You know what is sky sea? Sky is awam. Sea is lap. So awam lap. No. Cannot translate like this. What we call is awam kapet. Awam kapet. Let's go. Banyak penat tu. Senang. Cuma saya saja penat. Because of the view. Mati-mati, I also want to go up. Okay? Never give up. Only halfway, we can see the sky sea. You see? You guys see? I never how say you guys want. Can see the sky sea, but very beautiful mountain sea. If you want to see the sky sea, you need to come early. If not, you see, now it's very blur. 看完云海，云海到此一游，要吃榴莲找我。回咯，balik oh, makan durian, cari durian, makan durian. Wah. Tak boleh cannot the bukit too 斜245 degree. Wah, sakit kakiku.